Then the next speaker is Shubi Ambast from the Deutsche Zentrum für Neurodegenerative Erkrankungen.
Hi everybody, I'm Shubi and I'm working on the use of graph neural networks for single-cell RNA-seq data. Since morning we have learned a lot about classification, and this is just another task, but in healthcare domain. So for people who are unaware of single-cell RNA-seq data set, it's usually a matrix, but then why graphs here? So graphs have the capability to capture the cell-to-cell relationship, which is ideal to understand how the disease works. So this is why my approach starts with graphs, and then it proceeds further for a disease state prediction from those graphs. So the first thing is I construct a cell-to-cell graph from a gene expression matrix for each donor, and then use it for a graph classification task. And for that, my classifier is based on a hierarchical pooling approach, which could be like from self-attention graph pooling or from top-K pooling, and then use it ultimately for the phenotypic classification, which could be between healthy or diseased patients. But since single-cell RNA sequencing is quite expensive, we always have issue with the sample size, the data sets aren't very variable, heterogeneous in nature. There is always a need for more data sets to come. So that's why I have used a contrastive learning approach for my graphs over here, which is particularly for supervised contrastive learning with different graph augmentation techniques like edge dropping and element-wise gene masking. And further, when I have these global graph embeddings, I do a classification. And then finally, we are talking about the black box models. Explainability is the major concern over here. So I have investigated my model on the COVID data set from PBMCs, and I have few results over here, which shows that contrastive learning worked well for my task. But if you're intrigued by my approach and want to know more about it, please visit my poster, and my poster ID is 14. So thank you very much.
Thank you.